I'm calling it right now. I think these are the kitten heels of the summer. Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for stopping in. I'm so excited for today's video. I thought that these shoes needed their own dedicated video. I am that much in love with them, and I think after this video you might be too. So yeah, before we get started, this channel here is dedicated to lifestyle content. Whatever's going on in my life is what you guys are going to get. If I'm cooking, if I'm shopping, if there's travel going on, you know, if there's fashion, beauty, whatever, that's what you can expect to see here. And if you vibe with that, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you like these shoes or if they're not your vibe. And definitely give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so a little bit about the brand JW PEI. They are a luxury vegan brand out of China, and they have a variety of different options ranging from handbags to jewelry to also shoes. They are available to shop on their website directly or on Amazon, and some of the selections are available Prime, so you would get it in like 2 days, which is a bonus. I personally shopped from their website directly, which was just like jwpei.com, and I'll have the shoe that I purchased linked down below in my like to know it if you guys want information for that. But I shopped directly through their website because when I went to order, they did not have the size or the color that I wanted on Amazon. So I went on their website, I ordered, I received my confirmation immediately, shipping confirmation the next day, and I think it arrived to me in about a week and a half. But I was very comfortable knowing exactly where my product was at because they gave you updates throughout the entire process. So I was very comfortable shopping with them, and I think that it arrived in a good amount of time. So you have seen these options all over social media, and I was very easily influenced. These shoes I just think are so cute, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So these are, here's the box, has the company name on it. Just gonna lift this up. And the first thing that you see is the dust bag. So this is what the dust bag looks like, and something is in here. Okay, oh, so it's little pins or caps for the shoes. So in case they come out, you can replace them. That's actually a really, really good thing to have. So I'm just gonna stick that back in the dust bag. So here's the shoe. I'm gonna take both of them out. And let's go ahead and take that stuffing out. And here they are. I think they are so cute and so fashionable, but you'll also be comfortable because the heel, you'll see right here, the heel is 5 centimeters, so just under 2 inches, which is awesome. I have tried these on and they are really comfortable. I have not worn them out yet, so I cannot talk about durability or anything like that. There also is a protective seal on the bottom, so just make sure before you go out that you do take that out. But this is what she looks like. This is a 41. I am a true 9.5, and so that is the size that I got. And this color, I don't know if I mentioned it before, I can't remember, but the color is called Cane Sugar. I think it is the perfect neutral color, especially for the summer. And I will do cutaways so that way you guys can see this particular shoe, how it looks on my foot. I have wide feet, and I think they are absolute perfection. They felt so good on the foot, and they're just so cute. There's padding in here, and it's squishy on this part, but it's pretty hard, like formed here, so you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. But it's not digging into your foot because this part is very, very, very soft. And I love that it's a pointed heel. And this is the part that you would be replacing with those extra pieces that came on. So when I purchased these shoes, 9.5 was the largest that they went up too. But right before I filmed this, so let me just go to the website, let me double check. They're now offering up to a size 10. I know on their social media platforms, on all the comments are like, when are you going to offer a size 10? When are you going to offer a size 11? They're like, we're working on it. So they now go from a size 5 to a size 10 in select colors. These particular shoes are available in 17 different colors and so many fun ones like pink and orange and green, and the prices vary. So these retail for $89. When you do shop with them, especially on their website, make sure you enter in some type of code. I know I saw one that was like new10, like NEW10 for like 10% off, but they're offering specials Memorial Day weekend, all kinds of holidays. They have one going on. So make sure you check their website if you purchase directly from them. And sometimes on Amazon, I have seen specials also. So variety of different colors. The plain solid ones, like I said, are $89. And then you have the metallic stud ones, which are $119. They have denim, which is $129. They have crystals, which are $159. So a variety of different options and finishes that you could get in this particular shoe. And that's really all I wanted to say about this. I was looking, when I was going to purchase these, I wanted to know whether or not, a lot of times with being a 9.5, I have to size up to a 10. So I wanted to know whether or not if it was like a true 9.5 and it would fit my foot, or if it was going to be too small. But for me, 9.5, perfect, wide foot friendly. The heel is small. Shipping was pretty fast, and I just think they are going to be the kitten heel of the summer. All right, guys, I've been shopping a ton because it's about to be summer and we have so many trips and things coming up. So if you want more fashion, be sure to follow this. Travel content is coming up soon and everything. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these shoes, comment down below. Let me know if you own any. What colors do you have? Do I need to add any more to my collection? Because that pink is calling my name. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. All right, bye. Okay, just wanted to come on here in case anybody was wondering on my lips. I have a Danessa Myricks Color Fix in the color Latte. I love these. This product, multifaceted. You can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your lips, you can use it on your cheeks, everywhere, but this is what's on my lips. And then I topped it with the Fenty Beauty Gloss. And my eyes, this is Natasha Denona, but you could create this with any look. It's really nothing special. And then this top is from Shein. It's old top. It's no longer available, but I absolutely love it. All right, catch you guys in the next video. Bye.